Today, we will explore how you can combine three of LIC's top child plans to build a strong financial foundation, especially for children below 10 years of age. 1. LIC Amrit Bal Plan, the Pure Child Investment Plan. Designed exclusively for children aged 30 days to 13 years, this is a powerful long-term savings plan with guaranteed benefits. Features. Policy is in the child's name, parent guardian pays the premium. Get guaranteed maturity amount plus guaranteed additions. Choose maturity age between 18 to 25 years, perfect for education or career goals. Option to add waiver of premium rider. If the parent is no more, LIC pays the remaining premiums. Why choose Amrit Bal? This plan ensures that your child's future remains secure even if you are not around. 2. LIC New Children's Money Back Plan, milestone-based benefits. For parents who want regular payouts during their child's growth, this plan is ideal. Key benefits. Survival benefits at age 18, 20, and 22, useful for school, college, or coaching fees. Full maturity amount at age 25, even after the earlier payouts. Includes life insurance cover throughout the policy term. Add-on riders like Premium Waiver Benefit Rider can ensure continuity. Why include this plan? You'll receive funds at critical education stages while continuing full coverage for your child. 3. LIC Jeevan Tarun Plan, best for higher education planning. For those who want a focused approach to higher education, LIC Jeevan Tarun gives flexible payouts between 20-24 years and a maturity payout at 25 years. Highlights. Customize how much you want to receive yearly versus at maturity. Ideal for handling college fees, hostel expenses, or foreign studies. Premiums are payable for a limited time only. Why add this? It works like an education income stream, timed exactly when your child needs it most. Why combine these plans? By combining Amrit Bal, Children's Money Back, and Jeevan Tarun, you can cover immediate education needs with regular payouts, build a long-term maturity corpus for higher studies, ensure full life coverage for your child, make sure the policy continues even if something happens to the parent. Illustration example, assume Sogasmeli. Let's say your child is 5 years old. You can invest 50,000 rupees one time in Amrit Bal for maturity at age 21. Pay yearly 25,000 rupees in Jeevan Tarun to cover college. Use the Children's Money Back Plan for milestone payouts at ages 18, 20, and 22. End result? By age 25, your child receives multiple payouts at critical stages, a large maturity benefit, and full financial security.